Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I finally received my lightweight pulleys for my Toyota Yaris. It was originally for my 2008, but that's gone, so it's going to be going in my 2009. It's also the Gates racing boat. So the pulleys is the alternator, water pump, and the crank pulley. And I ordered this back in March, but it got back ordered. They were out of stock, and it took them a couple weeks, but it's finally here. So enough talking. Let's get on with this unboxing. Sorry about this, guys. Doing this one hand again. So bear with me. I'll put this down for a sec. Alright, so it's in another package. Let's get this open. Package, inside package, inside package. Alright. So you got a little coupon. I don't know how much it is. What's this? My receipt. Alright, so this is the Gates racing belt. And these are the pulleys. Hold on. Need a knife again. Oh yeah. So this gotta be the alternator pulley. Nice red. So that's the alternator. This is look like the this is the water pump pulley. Finish is nice. Last but not least, the crank pulley. Now these are supposed to be up to, I believe, was 70 to 80% lighter. Somewhere in between 70 to 80% lighter than the factory ones. What else? Yeah, it's supposed to be lighter. It's supposed to put less strain on the engine. I believe that's it. But I will be having these installed on the Yaris soon. I'll keep y'all posted. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.